Hello everyone, my name is Nitin Singh. How you guys are doing? I hope your watercolor going great. You are improving. And in this watercolor tutorial, I'm trying to make a painting with one color. Sometimes it's really important to limit yourself and work uh, kind of experimental. So it's always good to have such kind of experimental work, especially if you are a beginner and you wanted to learn more about the depth and the light. Then this having a single color and working with them is it's always fun. So in this video I am using the only one color. I'll be using black color for this. That is a really remarkable experience while working with single color. So at this moment I'm sketching a cityscape kind of scenario where the behind the building and the both side building, the people, the crowd, the walking around on the street and some vehicle. So it's a kind of a scenario we have here. So in this video I'll not speak all the way with this demo because a lot of people have told me that I'm not able to concentrate on the painting because you are just keep talking and that doesn't allow me to concentrate. So I just thought let's do that at least I'm just dedicating this work to you guys without much voice. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. So I would request you to please visit my SKILLSHARE class where I have just uploaded a new watercolor class. So this is the class where you will be learning online step by step every possible process to make this the watercolor. So please go ahead and check that out and enjoy this watercolor process. Thank you everyone. Have fun. So thank you so much everyone. I hope you enjoy this watercolor tutorial. So if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it, and I would request you to visit my Patreon page if you wish to support my watercolor art and supporting me to create watercolor tutorial on YouTube. So thank you so much everyone, and I look forward to have another video very soon. Take care.